Good morning, students. In the last video, I explained about data transfer instruction set. So today I am going to explain about arithmetic instruction set. In arithmetic instruction set, there are two types of arithmetic operation we are going to study. One is called as addition, another one is subtraction. So there is multiplication and division is not possible in 8085 microprocessor. In 8085 microprocessor, we can perform only arithmetic operation, addition and subtraction. First we can see some addition instruction. After that we can see the subtraction instruction. First one is ADDR. That is example is ADDB. ADDB means A register plus B register content will be added and the result will be stored in A register. For example, you take A is equal to 05, B is equal to 03. Both will be added and the result will be stored in A. So now A becomes 05. B register, there is no change. B is 03. A register content plus B register content, both will be added and the result will be stored in A register. B register, there is no change. Next instruction, ADI data, that is called as ADI 08. So what is meant by ADI 08 means A register content plus 08 will be added and the result will be stored in A register. So A is equal to 01. The A0 addition value, both will be added and the result will be stored in A register. So 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. ADDM. So what is meant by ADDM? M represents memory location. So what is meant by memory location means we have to see what is the value in the H register 50, L register 00. If you combine the two value, you will get the address. That address is 5000. So 5000 is the memory address. In this address, what is the value is available? 5. So A is equal to 03 plus 5 will be added and the result will be stored in A register. So A value is 03, 5000 memory location value is 05. Both will be added and the result will be stored in A register 08. 5000 memory location data, there is no change. Next, this is the 3 simple instructions for addition operation. Next, we are going to see about addition with carry. ADD means addition without carry. ADC means addition with carry. That is called as ADC-B. So A register is 02, B register value is 3, carry is equal to 1. So A register value plus B register value plus carry will be added and the result will be stored in A register. So 2 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 6. The previous first example, if you see, ADDB means 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. But here the carry also will be added and the result will be stored in A register. Next one is ADCM. So ADCM means M represents memory pointer. So memory pointer means HL register. H register value is 30, L register value is 00. If you combine together, you will get the address 3000. So 3000, the data is 05. Carry is 00. Accumulator value is 2. So 2 plus 0 plus 5 is equal to 7. So now A value is 07. M represents memory pointer. Memory pointer means H value is 30, L value is 00. Both will combine. You will get one address. That address is 3000. 3000 address memory location value is 05. A value is 02. Carry is 0. A plus carry plus memory data is equal to 7. Next, ACI data, that is ACI 03. So assume A is equal to 05, data is 03, carry is equal to 1. So A plus data plus carry. 5 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 9. Next, DAD or P. So DAD B, that is called as double addition. DAD ADD means normal addition. DAD means double addition. So here H is equal to 0, 2, L is equal to 0, 2, B is equal to 0, 3, C is equal to 0, 3. We are given DAD B. DAD B means it will add the HL register per content with the BC register per content, and the result will be stored in HL register per. So HL register per content, BC register per content, both will be added, and the result will be stored in HL register per. So C plus L is equal to 5. 3 plus 2, 5. That will be stored in L register. B register value is 3. H register value is 2. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. That is stored in H register. That is H upper byte and lower byte separately added, and the result will be stored. Subtraction. Next one is subtraction. Sub D. Sub D means A value, A register value and the D register value both will be subtracted, and the result will be stored in A register. A value is 5, D value is 0, 2, A minus D, and the result will be stored in A. So the A value is 3. Subtract SUBM. So M means memory pointer or HL register or data pointer. So M means you have to see what is the value in the H register, 60. What is the value in the L register, 0, 0. If you combine, you will get the memory address 6000. The data is 04. A value is 06. 06 minus this value is 2. So now the A value is changed as 2. Initially the A value is 06. After subtraction, the A value becomes 2. SUI data. So that is example SUI 01. So A value is 08. The data value is 7. So A minus 7 is equal to 1. That is called as 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. SUI 07 means 07 is a data. Immediately it will add with subtract with accumulator, and the result will be stored in the accumulator. SBB means subtract with borrow. We have studied already addition, normal addition, addition with carry. Likewise, subtraction, normal subtraction, subtraction with carry. Example SBB, subtract with borrow. A register value is 5, E register value is 2, borrow is 0. So what it will do means A minus E minus borrow. So 5 minus E minus borrow is equal to 3. So now accumulator value is 3. SBBM, subtract the memory content with the accumulator. So memory means H. H value is 6000. L value is 00. So if you combine, you will get one address 6000. Value is 04. A value is 06. Borrow is 0. So A minus 4. A is value is 06. 06 minus 4 minus 0 you will get as 2. SBI data. SBI data means subtract immediately 06 with accumulator with borrow, and the result will be stored in accumulator. So A is equal to 06, immediate data is 06, borrow is 06. So if you do the subtraction, your answer is 0, that will be stored in accumulator. Next, what is meant by decimal adjust accumulator? Here, all the numbers are hexadecimal numbers. We are using only the hexadecimal numbers. So the output also the hexadecimal number. Suppose I need a decimal value. So you have to use the instruction DAA. What is my DAA means? Decimal adjust accumulator. So now I am adding the two numbers. A is equal to 39, B is equal to 23. So 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. So 12, when you are doing addition in hexadecimal, it will be C. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. But our answer is 5C. But I need the output in hexadecimal. So what it will do means, it will check the two numbers, that is lower and upper. So if any one of the number is greater than 9, it will add the 6 to that particular number. If the addition result is greater than 9, add 6 and store the result in accumulator. So here the lower byte value is greater than 9. So I am adding 06. Upper byte is 5. So there is no need to add 6. So if you add these two numbers, you will get the value 62. So decimal address accumulator, it is used to display the value in the decimal. Normally the 8085 microprocessor accept the hexadecimal input and it will give you an hexadecimal output. If you need a decimal output, you have to use the decimal address accumulator. Next, we are going to see about the increment and decrement instruction. First, we can see about increment instruction. INR. INR means increment. R, small r means register, 8-bit register. So INR means B. B is an 8-bit register. So now B value is 05. Initially the value is 05. If you execute the instruction INR B, increment means it will add 1. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 06. Next, INX RP. RP means that is called as register pair. X represents that is a register pair. So that is called as INX B. So BC register pair. So B means BC register pair. B value is 33. C value is 33. So if you combine, you will get 3333. It is a 16-bit number. INR B instruction, it is used to increment the 8-bit number. INX B, it is used to increment a 16-bit number. So now after you give the INX B instruction, B is equal to 33, C is equal to 34. If you combine the two numbers, you will get 3334. Initially 3333, after incrementing, it will become as 3334. INRM. So increment the memory location content. So M, if any instruction M comes, means go and check the HL register. What is the value? H is equal to 40, L is equal to 00. If you combine these two values, you will get the address 4000. What is the value available? 06. Now, if you increment this 06, it will become as 07. So now the output is memory location, it will increment as 7. Next, decrement instruction. DCR. R means register. Decrement the value. DCR D. I am using a 8-bit D register. So D value is 09. After the executing the instruction, it will become as 08. DCXH. X represents HL register pair. H value is 9. L value is 8. If you decrement the value, it will become as 0907. Once again, if you give the instruction decrement H means 0906, like that it will decrement. In decrement HL register pair, it is used to decrement the 16-bit value. Decrement D, it is used to decrement the 8-bit value. Decrement M. M represents HL register pair. H is equal to 40, L is equal to 00. So this is the address. This address value is 05. If you give the decrement instruction, it will become as 05. From 06 to it will change as 05. In arithmetic operation, there is no multiplication and division. If you want to perform a multiplication operation, you want to do repeat addition. If you want to do division means you have to do repeat subtraction. So now I am going to explain how to perform multiplication and division. So first example, you will take multiplication. I am going to multiply two numbers. One is the one value is called as 3, another value is called to 3. If you multiply 3 into 3, the result is 9. So what we have to do means, you have to initialize a value is 0. And one first input I am going to store in B register. Second input I am going to store in C register. Now I am going to add the A register value and B register value. So 0 plus 3, I will get the value 3. After one time addition, I am going to decrement this C register value. So it will become as 2. Next, once again I will add A plus 3. So now A value is 3, B value is 3, so we will get 6. Decrement the C value, it will be as 1. Next, A plus B. So 6 plus 3, A value is 6, B value is 3, we will get 9. Next, C is equal to 0. Decrement 1, if you decrement, you will get 0. When the C value becomes 0, you have to stop the process. So your answer is 9. It is available in the A register. This is the process of repeat addition. Next, we are going to explain about how to perform division operation. Division operation is performed by repeat subtraction. I am going to take two numbers. One is called as 9, another number is 2. If you divide this number, you will get quotient is equal to 4, remainder is equal to 1. So now I am taking first number A is equal to 9 and the second number is divisor. I am going to store in the B register. A register value is 0,9, B register value is 0,2. Now first you subtract A minus B. So 9 minus 2 is 7. After one time subtraction, I want to increment the C value. Already what is the value? C value is 0. Now if you increment, the value becomes 1. Next, second time subtraction. 7 minus 2, 5. Increment the value, C becomes 2. Next, 5 minus 2, 3. Increment the C register, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Increment the C register, C is equal to 4. After that, now A value is 1, B value is 2. So we cannot subtract. So you have to stop the process. So now Q is equal to 4, it is in C register. R is C register. Next, remainder is equal to 1, it is available in the A register. This is the output. Quotient is 4, it is available in C register. Next, remainder is equal to 1, it is available in the A register. This is a process for division. In other microcontrollers, 8051 PIC microcontroller, multiplication and division operation is available. In the next video, I am going to explain about logical instructions.